welcome to my channel Netra Answers. Now I am going to explain you all about expanding a number by using place values. So we can also expand a number by using place values also. Okay, now I am assuming one number that is 64. So I can expand this by using place values. Ones, tens. Here I am writing up to the tens place values only because here we are having only 2 digits. Okay. Here we are having only 2 digits. That's why I wrote up to tens places only. In the ones place, what is the number we are having? In the ones place, we are having the number 4. 4. In the tens place, we are having the number 6. Okay. In the tens place, we are having the number 6. Now we have to expand this. Okay, 6. 6 is in the place of what? 6 is in the place of tens. That is why we have to write 6 into 10. 6 into 10 plus we have to expand this. Okay, that is why we have to write the symbol plus. Okay, 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1. 4 is in the place of ones, that is why 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 6 tens are 6 into 10. 6 tens are 60 plus 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay. Why 10 here? Why 1 here? And why plus here? Okay. 6 is in the place of tens. That is why 6 into 10 plus we are expanding, that is why we have to write the symbol plus, and 4 into 1. 4 is in the place of ones, that is why 4 into 1. 6 tens are 60 plus 4 ones are 4. Okay, now 60 plus 4 is what? 60 plus 4. 60 plus 4 is what? 4, 6. 0 plus 4 means 4 and 6 as it is, we will get the number 64. So 64, we got the number 64. We got the number as it is 64. In this way we have to expand a number by using place values. Let's see the other number. Okay, now I am going to explain the other number also, expanding by using place values. Okay, I already said maths is nothing but art of learning. Art of learning. It is the art. If we know the maths, we will do many techniques with the maths. Okay, now I am going to explain another number, expanding by using place values. Second one, 325. Okay, 325. Okay, again we have to write place values, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, here 3 digits are there, ones, tens, hundreds. Up to hundreds place values we are having. Up to hundreds place values we are having. That is why I wrote. Okay. In the ones place, what is the number we are having? In the ones place, we are having the number 5. In the tens place, we are having number 2. In the hundreds place, we are having the number 3. Okay. In the tens place, we are having the number 3. Now we have to expand this. Okay. 3 is in the place of what? 3 is in the place of hundreds. So we have to write 3 into 100. 3 into 100. Okay, what we are doing? We are doing expanding. So we have to write the symbol plus sign plus. Okay, now go to the 2. 2 is in the place of what? Tens. So 2 into 10. 2 into 10 plus 5 is in the place of ones. So 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Okay. 3 into 100, 300. plus 2 into 10, 20, plus 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay, now we have to add them. What is the sign we are having in between? Plus. So we have to add all these three. Okay, 300, 20 and 5. We have to add this. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 5. Okay, 5. 0 plus 2, 2, 3. So what is the number we got? 325. 325. See, we got the number 325 and 325. In this way we have to expand by using place values. Okay, now I am going to explain another number. I am expanding another number by using place values only. So next number we will take up to thousands. Next number will take up to thousands. Okay, let the number be 5078. Okay, let the number be 5078. Okay, now write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, now draw the box like this. This is nothing but to understand in a better way. Okay, 8. Here 8 in the place of ones, 7 is in the place of tens, 0 is in the place of hundreds and 5 is in the place of thousands. So 8 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 0 in hundred place and 5 in thousands place. Okay, this is where we have to write and expand now. 5 is in the place of thousands. 5 into 1000 plus 0 is in the place of hundreds. So 0 into 100 plus 7. 7 is in the place of what? Tens. So 7 into 10 plus 8 is in the place of ones. So 8 into 1. So 8 into 1. In this way we have to write 5 into 1000. 1000 fives are 5000 plus 0 into 100. 0 into 100. Anything into 0 is nothing but 0. Anything into 0? 0. 0 plus 7 tens are 70 plus 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. In this way we have to expand. Now we have to add them. We have to add. Okay, 5070. 5000 plus 70, 5070 plus 8 is nothing but 5078. 5078. So we got the answer 5078, 5078. In this way we have to expand this. So if we give any number, we have to expand by using place values in this way. Okay, here up to any ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, in any number if we gives, we have to expand in this way. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe for supporting me. Thank you so much.